This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an interesting comparison. I have my old trusty beat up Canon 5D Mark IV. This thing has seen some things. It's missing half the buttons. I've had it for like 8 years. I'll be testing it out with the 24-70 f2.8, and then I will be using the new Canon R8 that I bought recently. I will be putting the same lens on it with a lens converter just to see if there is a different vibe in between the two cameras, if there really is a difference in how the photos feel from the 5D Mark IV versus the R8, if there's a difference between the DSLR and the mirrorless, you know, all the talk. So we'll see. I've shot with this thing for a very long time and I do miss it, I have to say. So it'll be interesting to go back to it. I haven't touched this camera in like 2 years. So let's get right into the video and see. I've been on the hunt for an option that is kind of like film, but without spending the money on film. I feel like buying film, developing it is so expensive and so time consuming. And I know it works for some and I love the look of it, but I also don't really want to do it myself, hence why I tried to shoot with the Canon, the 5D Mark IV. I wanted to see if there's any difference between the DSLR and mirrorless, because sometimes when you switch to a new system, it's kind of easy to romanticize the previous one that you shot on, but it's not necessarily how it is. I think sometimes we just have certain memories of how we took our pictures and stuff. So I am very interested to see how these look color graded. For me, the direct flash definitely makes a difference to have this more of a vintagey look. And then I'll obviously be applying my presets as well. I have a few presets that I played with that are a bit more film-like. They have a bit more grain and they're just like a bit more moody. So we'll be playing around with that and see how it works. I feel like almost like if you like kind of like leaned back on the chair, kind of, yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Actually, I need to set up a white balance because on auto right now, we don't want that. So surprisingly, there's actually no difference between shooting with a lens that is an RF lens versus the EF lens. The focusing is actually really fast on this one with the little converter, so I'm actually pretty impressed. I also put on the flash because I really like the vibe. I'm in my flash era. All my photos will be taken on flash for the next few months, so just get used to it. So my current settings for the flash are also 1/16 of a second. I'm using the small Godox flash. My setup is the Canon R8. I have the control ring for the lens, and I have the old 24-70. Beautiful. I might have to set it up for stronger flash. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, I love it. I love this. Let me just set it up on the other camera just to compare. My settings are 160 at f3.2. Let's see. I switched to the Canon 5D Mark IV now. The same settings on everything as the R8, and we'll take a few photos of flash and see what the vibe is. Beautiful. Okay, I have a feeling that this does have a bit of a more vintagey vibe, but we'll see. Love. Maybe just came out. What if you like knee, kind of like if you were like here and you just put your knee in here? You could have this girl to like stand against as well. Yes, she is. I mean, sorry. Beautiful. Let's see. Oh, that looks so good. But those actually look kind of vintagey. Damn. Love it. Oh, nice.
Oh my gosh, it does get vintage.
Right?
I love that.
Yeah. Oh, cute. I like that. Love that. That's so cute. Yes, I love that. Well, actually, do you know what? We have the little mirror as well that you can like look at yourself, just to accessorize. Oh, thank you. I can't use the brush. I think it's more like you can just like kind of like even like low gaze at it. Yes, exactly. Or like yeah. Oh, look at me. Let me see. Oh yeah, it looks super cool. So far, I have to say I really like the vibe of the 5D Mark IV with the flash. I don't know if it's just in my head because I think it's going to look a bit more vintagey or not, but I will take the same photos on this camera as well and see what the results are like, and we'll just go from there. Beautiful. just to compare, I just want to use my 24 to 105 RF lens to see if the lens has something to do with the vintagey look or not. I'll be using it on exactly the same settings as everything else, and we'll just go from there. So everything is exactly the same. Yeah, I love that. That's great. I don't think there's any difference, to be honest, but mostly beautiful. It's time to have a word from our sponsor. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Squarespace offers intuitive tools to build websites as unique as your art. One of the features that I'm absolutely thrilled about is the Fluid Engine. With its next generation website design system, unlocking unbreakable creativity has never been easier. Starting with a best-in-class template, you can customize every design detail effortlessly using the reimagined drag and drop technology. It's seamless on both desktop and mobile, allowing you to stretch your imagination online. For someone like me who values a unique, visually stunning website, Fluid Engine is a game changer. And photographers, listen up. Squarespace isn't just about beautiful websites. It's also a powerful tool for selling your photography. With the online store features, whether it's physical prints or digital downloads, Squarespace provides everything you need to start selling online. It's like having your own photography store at your fingertips. Now, here's something that sets Squarespace apart: appointments. Accept booking for its private sessions, workshops, or group classes directly on your website. Manage your schedule, accept secure payments, and even send automatic reminders. It's a lifesaver for us photographers who wear multiple hats. And speaking of showcasing your work, Portfolios and Galleries feature is a dream for photographers. Professional designs, customizable galleries, and the option to add password-protected pages. It's the perfect platform to present our visual stories to the world. But wait, there's more. Monetize your creativity with member areas. Sell exclusive access to sections of your website, turning your passion into a source of income. It's like having your own VIP section for your most dedicated followers.
Now, I know you're eager to get started. Head to squarespace.com/Anita for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, you'll receive 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
So, fellow photographers, make your online presence as stunning as your photography. I will see you on Squarespace. That's so cute. I love it. Beautiful. Yeah, look at me. Perfect. Cute. I love that. That looks so good. If you have one, look closer to you. That'll look great. Yes, perfect.
Or do you have this?
No, the other ones. Beautiful. Yeah, I love this. Yeah, it looks so cute. That looks amazing because like the skirt fits perfectly with the rest of the surroundings, so it looks really good.
You're good. I was worried this wasn't the vibe.
No, like look. Oh shoot.
Oh my god, it is gorgeous.
I love it. I love, that's beautiful. Yes, love. Let's just get you off the chair for a second. We'll get you back. I just want to push it back a little bit. There we go. Yes. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Love. So heavy in comparison to the other one. Continue. Beautiful. ISO here. Yes, love that. That's really nice. Just change that. Focal point. Perfect. Yeah, love. Yes, perfect. Can you like sit on the edge here? So like come here and like your legs down and your booty on this side. Yeah. Perfect. Beautiful. Yeah, I love that. Perfect. And what if this leg is a bit more like this way? Cute. Beautiful. ISO here. Yes, love. Cute. Looks really nice. Let me just see what we have. I love the ones from before. Something like that. It can be in the photo somewhere. Whatever you want. It doesn't really matter with the flash. Right, this. Change my ISO again. But what if you're holding it with your arm kind of like down here and just like gazing into it? Don't look at me. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. Yeah. That's beautiful. I love that. And then just like that, but just like a few standing. So just like right in the middle as well. Just a little bit this way. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Look. And maybe now hold the mirror by your side. This will look very nice. Sleeping on the job. Where's the freaking button? Right there.
After spending some time in Lightroom and color grading my photos into this film kind of aesthetic, I have to say I do not see that much of a difference between the two cameras or even the different lens on the R8. I think it all looks pretty similar. Yes, there are some slight changes, of course, in how the cameras handle the color and so on, but overall it's a pretty close match and I don't think I'll be able to tell the difference. Let me know if you guys think otherwise, but I think in my case it's just a bit of a glamorization of the old equipment that I used to have. And
gorgeous. And then just stay where you are, because I was lying when I said it was the last shot. I don't think there's ever a photographer that like I just take the last shot and then just doesn't take another shot like 10 shots. Yeah, and look there actually, just for one.
This camera has made me take some really beautiful pictures, but so has the new one, and I think it's just a matter of figuring out what works for you and adjusting your aesthetics accordingly. I think there's just so much more at stake than just the camera and the lens that you're using. So if anything, this is a good lesson for me to not compare my new work to my old work and just play around with different gear, because sometimes we have certain ideas in our heads and it doesn't always cover up. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the pictures. Let me know if you can tell the difference and if you think the one or the other camera is better. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!